Good morning, friends. Myself GC Das. I welcome you to the wonderful business opportunity. Friends, myself come to Delhi to do job. 10 years I have done job as a typist. My salary from 1200 started and up to 7000 I was getting after 10 years. So I was looking for some extra income. Then I find out direct selling business. I started part-time and continued. When I feel that part-time income is better than full-time, then I started this full-time. And now doing this, I have purchased my 2 houses, 2 car, 8 times foreign tour, and my average income is 3 lakh rupees per month. So friends, the person who was earning after 10 years 7,000 rupees, now he is earning 10,000 per day because of this system. So I am explaining you today the golden opportunity. Friends, everybody wants to get success, but to get success, a great person has said you have to do 3 points. Follow 3 points. First thing is you start your own business. Otherwise you cannot get success. And second thing is your business should be product of FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, daily needs products. And third thing is you should multiply yourself, means 15% work should be done by you and 85% work should be done by public. So we are lucky, so lucky that we have got such wonderful opportunity where 3 points are already used here. So I welcome you to the best golden opportunity of company named Vestige. Friends, Vestige, it started 16 years back, June 2004, and started from zero from Delhi. Now it is India's #1 direct selling company, and it has got 30th rank in all over world top ranking, 30th number. So we are so proud that we are working in such a company which is best of the best. The company is manufacturing product of daily needs. More than 300 products company is manufacturing in 14 segment: healthcare, personal care, beauty care, oral care, agricultural, such type of product. More than 300 products company is manufacturing, and more than 3,000 products company is dealing with best deal, maximum benefit. So we are so lucky we have got this chance to get maximum benefit as a consumer. You become first consumer, use yourself. If you like it, you have to share your known person, friends, relatives, neighbors, just few people. For that you have to register in our company, and registration is totally free. Just you have to give your name, date of birth, address, mobile number and one ID proof. You can get online registration. After registration, you have to purchase few products of your choice, whatever you want. Use yourself. If you like it, then use, otherwise you can get your money back. Within 30 days, you can get your money back. So this is wonderful product, so that as 2 crore people are using this product. Company turnover last year 2,750 crore. 8 countries company is operating, and fantastic way of business. And doing this business, people are earning more than 1 crore per month also. So this is golden opportunity for you also to get a big business free of cost. Friends, to get success in job, you have to have good knowledge, good education. And to get success in business, you have to invest big amount. But here, pure business without education, without investment. Here, illiterate person also earning 5 lakh, 6 lakh rupees per month. So this is best for you. Now, how we can get income? Here, after registration, and when you use product, just you share the product, you get 9 types of income. Number 1 income is retail profit. Retail profit, and this is 10 to 20%. As a customer, you will enjoy lifetime 10 to 20% you will get on wholesale rate. For example, if product MRP is 120 rupees, you will get at distributor price means 100 rupees. 20 rupees discount, instant discount. You paid 100 rupees. Out of this 100, company what takes 40 rupees goes for manufacturing cost, and remaining 60 is company's profit. This is called business volume. Through this business volume, this is profit, and this 60 rupees profit goes 60% to network. It means between us, and 40% goes to company profit. This is the sharing. Friends, we without investment, we are partner of 60% of this big company. How to get 60%? For that you have to generate business, you have to do business. And to do business, increase business, you can multiply yourself. Means you can make your team without any cost. You make few team, they also increase their team. This way your team will be very bigger, and through this team you can enjoy remaining income. Second income is performance bonus. You and your team, whatever business you generate, you will get 5% to 11% performance bonus. And here bonus is calculated on PB. 1 PB is equal to approximately 30 rupees. 30 rupees 1 PB. If you generate 1 PB to 599 PB, your level will be 5%. 600 to 2399 PB, your level will be 8%. 2400 to 5499, your level will be 10%. And if your business PB is 5500 plus, your level will be 11%, and you will be as a bronze director. Bronze director is very reputed post, and from here you are eligible for company turnover profit. Who is bronze director? He will be eligible for bronze director bonus, and it is 4%, and this 4% is only shared among bronze director, purely for bronze director. And from here your success start. But our slogan is, in your success lies our success. Means if you support somebody to become successful, you will be more successful. For example, you are bronze director. If you make somebody bronze director, you will be silver director, and you will get bronze director bonus, as well as you will get another income that is called business builder bonus. You become silver and you are eligible for business builder bonus, and your bronze director will get 4% as a bronze director bonus. Business builder bonus, you are eligible now for 14%, and you are eligible for another income that is called leadership overriding bonus, LOB. Friends, this LOB is 16%. When you make 1% as a bronze director, you are eligible for bronze director bonus 14% share, and leadership overriding bonus 16% share. And friends, leadership bonus is very huge income. Somebody who is earning in lakhs, they are 60 to 70% income, only leadership overriding bonus, big income. Next income is travel fund. Company gives you an opportunity to have foreign tour every year, 2 times foreign tour. For that you have to do silver director level. Silver director means one director under you, you are eligible for travel fund also. From this travel fund, through this travel fund, company has visited 30 countries every year 2 times. I myself visited 8 countries. Next is our car fund. Company gives you car fund 5%. When you create 3 directors, bronze director under you, you become star director. If you maintain 3 months, within 5 months of time, 3 months you maintain, you are eligible for car fund. And with this car fund, in our company, more than 6,000 people have got their dream car, and more than 200 people have got luxury car like Audi, Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar. Up to 1 crore car people has got. I myself has got 2 cars from this car fund. Next is friend house fund. You can get your dream house also. For that, company is distributing 3% of company turnover. To get house fund, you have to support 6 people to become bronze director. If under you 6 people becomes bronze director, you become crown. And if you maintain 3 months as a crown, in 5 month period, you are eligible for house fund for life. Next is our Allied Club bonus. Allied Club, very prestigious club. It is 2% of company turnover. And Allied Club, who is double crown director and double universal crown director in this company, and they are maintaining their level, they are eligible for Allied Club 2%. So friends, these are the 9 types of income, and through this income you can get earning in lakhs. People are earning up to 1 crore per month. So fantastic business opportunity. Just you have to register yourself, use the product and share the product. Just 2 things. Use and share. Doing these 2 things, everybody can do and can get success. If I can get success, you can get success. So friends, if you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel so that I can update new videos again and again to support you. So thank you, wish you well.